Hello guys, so today we are here to face the today's challenge. In this we need to find the smallest letter greater than the target. So we are given an array of characters which is named as letters and that is sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay, so non-decreasing order means increasing order. Okay, basically not exactly increasing, but if the similar characters are there, they'll be side by side, but basically it's increasing order essentially. Now, there are at least two different characters in the letters. So the array letters is of size 2 at least. And we are given a target, okay? And we have to return the element which is greater than the target. So first element which is greater than the target. So here, suppose if you take this array, okay? If you take this array CFG, okay? The target is C, okay? So if you take this array CFG, we are given the target C and we have to return F because F is the first smallest, okay? How to do this? So to do this, we'll be employing binary search, a variant of binary search. And let me show you what I'm going to do. So int low is equal to 0, high is equal to, high will be letters dot length minus 1, mid is equal to -1, while low is less than high. So we are taking low less than high. As soon as low becomes equal to high, we will be coming out of this loop. Now we have to calculate the mid. To calculate the mid, we can do like this. Okay, if letters of mid is less than equal to target, will be incrementing the low to be mid plus 1. Okay, so if letters is less than equal, so if mid comes to this position, we'll be incrementing low to be this position plus 1. Okay, okay, so we'll be doing this. Else the else case is when mid is greater than the target. So if it is greater than the target, it could be the first element, it could be the first smallest element. So in that case, if we go below, now if we go below, then we are decrementing our search range. Okay, I mean to say if you do high is equal to mid minus 1 in that case, see what is the else of this condition. The else of this condition is letters of mid is greater than the target. Okay, so if letters of mid is greater than the target and we are doing high is equal to mid minus 1, okay, so might be that mid is at the first smallest letter itself and we are making mid minus 1, then the situation is that we are keeping that element which could be our potential value to be returned out of the search space. That is not correct. In binary search, one invariant is that the value which we need to be returned should always be in the search space, and the search space will keep on shrinking in each and every iteration. Okay, so we can't do like this. This is not correct. We can't do mid minus 1. We have to keep that mid value within the search space, and then we have to check this condition time and time again. Okay, after this there are some conditions which we need to take care. Okay, it could be that low is low is equal to letters dot length minus 1 and letters of low is still less than equal to target. Okay, so if it is less than equal to target, in that case, okay, in that case we are returning letters of low 0 Otherwise, we are returning letters of low. Why we have done this? There is a possibility, okay? There is a possibility that letters is equal to the low value is the last index, and even at the last index, it is not greater than the target. It is less than or equal to the target. In that case, the problem itself specifies that we have to return the 0th index. There are no character in the letters that is lexicographically greater than Z. So we return letters of 0. Okay. So the problem itself mentions that we have to return the 0th index in that case. So this is telling that we are at the, letters low is at the last index, and even at the last index, the value is not greater than the target. It is less than or equal to the target. It is not greater than the target. So since it is not greater than the target, we are returning 0th character, 0th index character. If this condition is false, then we are returning the letters of low. So it means low is within the range of 0 to letters dot length -1, and that's why we are returning this. So with this, I'm going to run this and see what is, happening. So see, it's accepting all the cases. Now I'm going to submit it. Perfect. So it's beating 100% of the solutions, and this is one efficient solution. Let me know if you have any further doubts. I'll gladly explain those, clarify those doubts. Please post your doubts in the comments, or anything which you have to share, please post them in the, or if you have better solution, please post them in the solution. I'll appreciate that. So with this, I'm thanking you. Have a nice day. Be kind to your mind and stop stopping yourself. Thanks a lot.